Guys, we're making chicken fajitas on my Ninja Foodi Grill. Coming up, this is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Now you may be wondering why we're using the indoor grill, but I'm shooting outside. Guys, I just wanted to brag a little bit. It's such a beautiful day out here in Southern California. I had to do a little shooting outside. All right, we're gonna do the intro, the outro. Out here, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna jump in this pool after I get done eating. All right, so it's nice. All right, it is a beautiful day out here in Southern California. Just loving it. Charlie's out here with me. A lot of you guys don't know, because you're new subscribers, for the Ninja Foodi Grill, that I do a lot of outdoor cooking. I do a lot of smoking, grilling outside, and I have a little smoking buddy out here, Charlie, our French pug. You might see him in my other videos. I'll see if I can get him in eventually on these Foodi Grill ones, but it's gonna be easy one, real tasty. I got just a little Uncle Steve's shake gator rub that he sent to me. I'm just putting a little in a baggie with a couple chicken breasts. And then I cheated on the fajita vegetables. In the store they had these onions, peppers, all that stuff already chopped up. So I'm looking for the easy way to make a quick meal, and that's it. I don't have to sit here a bunch of time chopping and all that. All right, so I'm gonna get you over to our Foodi Grill station indoors. Get those fajitas going. It's gonna be tasty. I got some tortillas, we got some cheese. It's gonna be amazing. All right, come on back. Okay guys, we've had our chicken marinating a little bit in this gator shake from Uncle Steve's Shake. I know I said that wrong in the intro, but I didn't have it in front of me. So the stuff, it has the citrusy blend in it. It's so good. All right, so let's get this thing on. We're gonna preheat. We're gonna do grill high. Shut it. We're using 500 degrees. Hit start. Okay, once this is done preheating, we're gonna put our chicken in, our fajita veggies in. We'll let it go for about 10 minutes and check the temp, all right? Come on. Okay, we're almost 6 minutes in. Just wanna give it a look. We're gonna take these to about 160, 165, 117, 125. Yeah, we're climbing. This one right in front, it's a little bit smaller. It's gonna cook quicker. This one in back, it's gonna take a little bit more time. We're gonna keep grilling. Okay guys, we got 10 minutes in. One thing I forgot to do, so I want you guys to make sure you do it, is take that canola oil, spray the chicken down before you get going. So I'm gonna spray a little bit on both sides. So we're gonna flip these chickens. We're gonna flip the chicken breast. All right. Oop. Okay. We're gonna mix the veggies around a bit. These veggies are gonna turn out really nice. You can already see some char on them. It's looking good. Okay, we got these flipped around. I'm gonna do a little more spray of the canola oil on the outside of the flipped one. Gonna add a little bit more of this shake. We're putting a bunch of flavor in there, so don't be afraid to get any on your vegetables either. Okay, all right, let's check the temps again real quick. All right, so we got probably another 4 minutes or so, 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, we had another 5 minutes in there. Got it nice and crispy. I pulled out the other one because it was already done and I didn't want to keep overcooking it, but this one is a bigger breast. I'm gonna let it rest for a couple minutes, then we'll cut into it and we'll see how we did. All right, come on back. Okay, it's that time to rest. Let's cut into this bad boy. Woo, look at the juices flowing. Still hot? Still hot. Let's look at this. Perfect. Perfect. You see, it's hot as heck. But look at the juices. I don't like squeezing all the juice out of the meat, but I mean, come on. Look at it run down the knife. Nice. All right, let's make a little fajita taco while we're standing here. Take a little bite. Got the peppers in there already took out. Little cheddar cheese. Oh yeah, man, that's good. up. Man, it's good. I'm gonna finish this up. That's so good. I'm gonna finish this up. Let's get outside and talk about it. Oh man, those fajitas tasted wonderful. That chicken came out perfectly juicy. Out of all the flavors from that rub, that barbecue rub we used, that had a little tangy into it, little twinge. It's just perfect for chicken. Had a little acidity in there. So it happens when you shoot outside. Sometimes cars are going by with big mufflers on it. Anyway, had that twinge in it, very tasty, little acidic, gotta love it. Perfect for this chicken fajitas. Give these a try. Uncle Steve's Shake will be down below his website. Check it out. Not an affiliate, just a guy. I like his products. He sent them to me. It's tasty as can be, so I want to share with you guys. If you guys want to get one of these Ninja Foodi Grills, you know I'm gonna put it down below in the description, and I'm gonna pin it in the comments. If you guys want to get some of this Cooking with CJ merch, which I don't happen to be rocking today, I only bought one shirt when I set up the merch, and unfortunately it's in the laundry, so you get my normal black shirt. My Teespring store will be linked down below. All right, and then guys, if you want to become a part of CJ's crew for real and donate, hit this Patreon link. We have a lot of little extra benefits that I do over on Patreon. Check it out, sign up. Don't cost you much, but it helps out the channel a little bit. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.